Need is greed. Our guides aren't here to live our life for us, so they're not here to answer every single question. In fact, they'll answer no question that comes from the intention of need and greed. Your guides will not give you an answer you already have because they know that you're never in a state of lack. And second, your guides will never interfere because interference is theft. If you come from an energy of neediness and despair, you're not claiming your own sovereignty, your own power, and you're not acting responsibly. You're not taking responsibility for your own life and your own energy. Guides will not intervene or interfere because that is stealing your life from you. And guides know the last thing you need is a thief and a liar for a guide. Subscribe to the channel and to the newsletter below. Hit the thank you thumb. Namaste.